Hello YouTube, I am Kiwi, and I'm a huge fan of Resident Evil, especially Resident Evil 4, and this is going to be my blind playthrough of the demo. I will mess with some settings and stuff. I've messed with some settings. Most of the stuff is on medium, so if the game looks a little off, that's why. I did have it set to medium, just for like better streaming off my computer. And yeah, I'll mess with audio once I actually get into the game.
September 30th, 1998. It's a day I'll never forget. The cop inside me died that day. And that night, Raccoon City was wiped out, thanks to the bioweapons created by Umbrella. Somehow I made it out, but too many others weren't so lucky. I was asked later to join a top-secret government program. Not that I had a choice. The training, punishing missions, nearly killed me. But at least I kept my mind off everything. If I could just forget what happened that night. The pain, even for a second. This time, it can be different. It has to.
Anyone who's played RE4, the original, realizes it's a little different. In the original, he doesn't mention being forced to join the Special Task Forces, and this is going more into his trauma than the first game did. Oh wow, this game looks really good. I can't access my attaché case yet, but
How far could he have gone?
oh, ew.
Shit.
Oh wow. Is this gonna be the introduction to the game? We're just gonna open the door again.
Anyone home?
Oh wow. No dead bodies or anything in here yet. No key. These are written in Spanish. Jesus Christ. Oh.
Sorry to barge in like this. Busco a un policía. Vino aquí?
Oh my god, he speaks Spanish finally. God. Hunter's Lodge key. Yeah, I would say, Leon, you just killed a man. Oh, you can freely Q to rotate, which is interesting. Surprised it's not R, but it's not that big of a deal. Yeah, you can just... So if you're on PC and you hold something, you can just move it around, drop it to do that, hold it, press Q to rotate it. Same as that. Nice. Oh, what you eating? Oh!
Man, that stinks.
About the suit, man. I do love that they changed it where, like, now Leon is actually National Police Corps. Mario Fernandez Castellano. I wonder if that is maybe a reference to Sebastian Castellano from the original series creator. Oh my goodness. God. Oh, Rat, it's me. What's up, Rat-thu? See you later, buddy. Good to know the rats are treated well here. Oh.
Hey. I read you. What's your situation?
He's like, damn, should have took more Spanish lessons. Alright. Escape the Hunter's Lodge. Oh. That tutorial kind of spoils a few things, I think.
What was that? No fucking way. This just keeps getting worse.
I immediately took a hit to the first guy. He definitely didn't react to that headshot like some of the other guys did. I'll give him that. That's my fault. There we go. That's what I was kind of waiting for. That felt good. That shit feels meaty when that happens. I don't want to waste too much of my knife because there is the knife durability bar, which you can't see because my rat's in the way. I'd like to apologize for that. But you can see now. I'm down to 2 bullets and half HP, so. Kick it down, Leon. Oh my god. I probably could have snuck, by the way, and killed them. I didn't think they'd both be in there. Oh. Space. Judgment is nigh. Crude crucifix. Oh. looks good. Hey.
Bruce, this is Condor 1.
Hunnigan here. What's your sit rep?
The President's daughter, Baby Eagle. It's likely she's in this village.
Our intel was correct then. Well done.
Need a location on a nearby lake. She may have been taken there.
Copy that. I'll see what I can find.
Hurry up. Something's happened to the people here. My escorts are...
Uh-oh.
Gotta go. Talk later.
Gentlemen, we can discuss this later.
Myself out.
Leon, I'm not gonna lie, they're like 2 stories away from catching up with you, buddy. Yeah. No, they decided not to go. So one thing I still don't really like is the melee. Like, this is still on F. I'll set that to E as well. It feels more natural. Ooh, a bridge. Ooh, a bridge. Some popping and stuff. I will have it be said that I did lower the quality. So, ooh, he actually has something for me. Okay, so 100 pesetas. Handgun ammo. So there are certain barrels you can break and some you cannot. So let's go ahead and examine. Oh, you can actually move it around. It shows like firepower, magazine size. I guess that's reload speed. Yeah, it says right here. 1.0. So they are keeping that the same. Custom made for handgun while keeping basic design of the MUP. Its parts were carefully chosen. It looks really good. They kept the same Red Eagle from the original designs. First aid spray. And knife. Low power, low durability, low attack speed. But I'm willing to bet you can upgrade that. A typewriter. Gunpowder. That is new to this game. What? 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 That's fine, honestly. Not being able to save makes sense. No, I missed the eagles, man. Oh, well, here's the dog we're supposed to save. We weren't fast enough. Another handgun ammo. Crouch and stand. Is it possible to stealth in this game? Also, I know damn well there are trip mines and shit in your... Okay, we're gonna tactically retreat for a second. Gunpowder. They do respond faster, and when Leon's elbow is bent like that, he does move the gun a little bit. That's a cool little feature. I swear.
Damn it.
Okay, now we have to look. Now, is there a man in here? Yes, there is. I don't think I can sneak up on this guy. I think he's actually supposed to ambush me. Oh, not what I wanted. More doubloons for my journey. Handgun ammo. Blast grenade. Fog. I will keep that for what I'm about to see. Let me in. Here it is. All right. I wonder if there's an achievement to shoot him in the main game. So I'm going in the same way I would go in the other game, to be honest. I'm just going.
Here we go.
Where's he at? There he is.
Oh, you gotta be kidding me. It's my lucky day.
There is it. Where is it? There it is.
Oh, nice.
Hand grenade. Oh, wow. Oh, that's so cool. That is so cool. I doubt you can save him. I bet even if I shot that guy. I'm gonna go ahead and skip this because we've already seen it.
Oh, nice.
King pressing the wrong buttons. Okay, so it does still affect everyone. They are much more aggressive in this than they were in the other one.
Sorry.
sir?
Feeling this?
The chainsaw guy is very much so scarier. Oh my goodness! I feel like... Yeah. I'm dead to the chainsaw guy? This is actually wicked. Now, if I were to, like, interrupt this guy... I can't interrupt him. Ew. I'm not escaping, I promise you. Oh. You gotta be more on your toes than I kind of expected. Like, going in for that, if they grab you in those situations, you're, like, really rolled. But I actually do really want to kill Dr. Salvador here. Can I kick this? Yeah, I can. Oh, he just cut up some people there. Resources, okay. Oh my! I did not mean to intrude on literally anyone. I am so sorry. Well, this house seems wicked. Hello, everyone! I have 2 bullets. I now have 10 bullets. So this is where I usually stand. Honestly. Okay, that was a crit. There's quite an impact. Please press the right button. He doesn't care. I am getting rolled by this guy. I am getting rolled by Dr. Salvador. cutscene.
Oh, nice. Give me a break already. Keep coming. There you go.
I'm just gonna. Okay. I don't think we stay up here anymore. They definitely flank. Oh, I couldn't stop her. Definitely flank more than I thought they would. Please, sir.
You gotta be kidding me.
Oh, did I not? Oh. Well, I lived. I didn't kill him.
Tenemos que servir. Al Lord Sadler Todopoderoso.
Melly! Thank you so much for the raid, Melly. I appreciate it.
Where's everyone going? Bingo?
They kept the bingo line, chat. How's the demo? It kicked my ass. It really did. It kicked my ass. I died to the chainsaw guy 4 times, and I loved every bit of it. Enemies killed, completion time, money acquired, new, good. Thank you so much for the raid. I appreciate you. And YouTube, I am gonna pause it here. I am actually gonna go back and show you what happens when I do kill the chainsaw guy. Show you what he drops and everything like that. So I will cut that in right after this one. But thank you so much for watching. I appreciate it. Goodbye. Where is he? Oh, I think I got him. I did get him. Okay, nice. Yeah, he dropped about $3,000. Get rolled.